To build credit with a reputable bank, consider using a secured credit card, especially if you have little to no existing credit. This type of card requires a security deposit, which is typically equal to the credit limit available to you after applying. You can then use the deposited amount and pay it back like a regular credit card, helping to establish a record of healthy spending habits. Paying your bills on time is also crucial, as it builds a better credit score. Setting up automatic payments from your checking account can ensure timely payments. Additionally, keeping paid-off accounts open but unused can positively reflect on your credit, giving you an established and ongoing credit history. Another option is to have a co-signer with strong, established credit, someone you know and trust, to co-sign a credit card with you, increasing your chances of approval. However, it's essential to remember that any late payments will damage both your credit score and the co-signers. By following these steps, you can effectively build credit with a bank, and it's a relatively simple process.